I only put on this hijab actually about a year and a month ago actually, so it's only been a year that I've been wearing it. So before, obviously I've always been Muslim, but I think when I put this on, I knew that when I put this on I was going to be very visibly a Muslim woman. And the Manchester attack happened and our parents were advising us not to take public transport, all these kind of things, because straight away messages were circulating about daughters being, shouted at, abused, and hijabs being pulled off, students that were spat out.
Immediately after the Manchester Arena bombings in 2017, Islamophobic attacks, according to the Greater Manchester Police, rose by 500%. The frustration of what it means, to have someone say something or self-censor. I know for a lot of people, they question their sense of Britishness. They question their sense of belonging. The Prevent strategy has been responsible for creating suspect communities. The suspect communities of yesteryear were the Irish, when the British counter-terrorism strategy, which was informed by the military model approach in Northern Ireland, was one of the effects of it was to create suspect communities of Irish people. So Irish people that had no or very tangential involvement in the troubles from the 1970s were castigated and criminalised. We don't go around asking white Brits to apologise for apartheid or colonialism. I'm not going to say that things were rosy for a South Asian working class family growing up in the north of England in the 70s and 80s. They still had racist attacks and stuff like that. But here, it's that particular attack has taken on a new veneer, as it were. And I think that it's always the case after a terrorist attack, no matter what the level of condemnation, no matter what the level of collective mourning that the Muslim community go into, that's not enough to protect them from Islamophobic attacks, as we saw with the Manchester Arena bombings.